Hello guys, this is Indian Medico and in this video we'll see about dowry death. Section 304B IPC deals with dowry death. Dowry death is where the death of a woman is caused by any burns or bodily injury or occurs under abnormal circumstances within 7 years of her marriage, and it is shown that soon before her death she was subjected to cruelty by her husband or husband's relative demanding dowry. In this case, the husband or relative shall be deemed to have caused a death. The punishment for dowry death is a minimum of 7 years, which can extend up to life imprisonment. This picture depicts dowry cruelty and dowry death. Now let us see about some key points regarding dowry death. Dowry death can be in the form of murder or when the woman herself commits suicide, being unable to bear harassment or cruelty for not fulfilling the promises of dowry. Such murders are invariably committed secretly. The bride may be burnt or killed by various methods. The usual defense in all dowry death cases is that either the woman committed suicide or death occurred accidentally due to burns while cooking food. The inquest in case of dowry death is conducted by a magistrate or police officer not below the rank of Deputy Superintendent of Police. The autopsy in case of dowry death should be carried out by 2 doctors. It is also important to know about Section 498A IPC. In this case, the husband or relative of husband subjects woman to cruelty and it is punishable up to 3 years imprisonment. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe. Your subscription will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you.